they finally have little freedom, when they finally say, you can get a bus to go on one party,
Yeah.
and they have curfew,
Yep.
make sure say you reach home by 10 o'clock.
Hear that?
1 minute over, you sleeping outside.
And if you come home late, you're never ever gonna go anywhere. Ever.
You spoil it.
Ever.
Don't say, any party you keep,
Yeah, don't
Never
even.
mention it.
Yeah, don't mention it at all,
Spoil
right?
it.
So you gotta. There is an automatic embargo. So.
My brother was like 19, right? And he was going to college at this point. But he decided to go to a Friday night party. He didn't reach home midnight. My mom drove down to the place, went to the DJ and told the DJ to call his name.
Jaja.
On the mic. You will never forget. Rory.
Tashna, your mother said to meet her at the door. And then everybody look for you.
And it's different when you're a man, you know.
Yeah.
When you go to school,
Damien Cunningham, your mother said to meet her at the door. She's in her 90 and her setters. And them ever come on the scene in a 90 and setters. I said, Father God, why me in a life? Why me in a life? 90 and setters.
Why me?
Why God, Jano star. Jano. Your mother come at the dance in her large slip. Shad Hines. Your mother say must meet her at the water cooler.
I come over late. Me, I come for you. Oh.
The whole of your friend them, I tell you, Jano. Me just.
But if you hide, it's not gonna be pretty.
Where are you gonna hide?
You better just go now.
Child, you're gonna hide.
Don't make it worse.
Me, I try. Me, I flick got the cooler. Come on, or reach our hands.
Yeah, before people even see.
And then before you reach in there, better stop crying. Build a story same time. Remember say
you reach here or something.
Mommy, you know, I was about to come home, but Andrika was in the bathroom. She wasn't feeling well, and so I was helping her, and she had diarrhea, and you know, she had coronavirus.
Andrika, she had pretend sick or something.
Yeah, man, Andrika was vomiting, and what had happened was that I was helping her because she alone is at the party, and I never want to leave her by herself.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Andrika not a mother.
No, but she has to say something. Yeah, she's not a family. She's a orphan. No, mom, but they're not here. So I just being a good person. Them time I shall call Andrika mother no. Almighty God. Give me Andrika mother number. Mommy, I don't know it. Where Andrika live? I don't know. So Andrika different, you don't know where she live? No.
We are gonna say at this.
Yo, but well, I was want to jump on like car chunk. So let's stop people like chunk here, man. Cause Jano star. Yo, Mr. Tell me your heart had a beat. Yo, Calico.
You want to cry, you know?
Your mother and your granny ever back you up yet? You know? And your heart had a your heart had race up your chest.
You're not sure what time the beat now start needing.
No, I ain't not sure for the first place I get lick. And then I try to figure out I want to try lick in my forehead. I want to try box me.
Is this it?
I want to try top in my face. I don't want to try box in my ears. Alright? I remember saying my body little and chubby and broad, you know.
You ever try to escape it like it follow you? Until part it will catch you.
No, me not run.
You can't
me not run.
You can't
me
run.
not run.
No better run.
That's the first.
You got 2 more to it.
Rules 1.
Rules 1.
Thou shalt not run. Can you see when you run? Shall it come? You're dying. You're dying.
You never send off your own belt.
I want you to
don't move.
Calico, don't run. No, them beat y'all today. I will not talk to them. Come and eat it right now. Yeah. Oh, so you keep malice. Oh, so you're a malice keeper. Okay, don't eat my food. Oh, you keep malice in here. Well, guess what? There's one woman in the house. So if you cannot talk, you have to come out. You just beat me. Are you want to talk to you?
My mother used to give me
Alright, what if you thanks to beat me?
Yeah.
God, what me for say again? You just kill with lick, lady. I'm hurt. My pancreas bend up. My liver swell up. I cannot speak. Come on, somebody adapt me right now. So.
I didn't only hear my mother go. You're so lucky you have a mother like me.
Yeah.
What? I didn't know.
You should thank God for a mother like me. I guess I want that one day. Mother like you. And then when you watch TV, you see the white people there. You want a white mother.
Whereas one of us living on the hotel.
Yeah, the hotel and the house. You want a white mother. Why my mother can't stay so?
And just allow me.
Allow me for the tick step. Yo, my dad like star. Jamaican parent teach. Yo, the people them straight. You see how when them friend come over the house, be seen and not heard.
Oh,
Make sure. You know, you know, like oh, sometimes you see how people nowadays say adult all attack animal, prims up in the argument. Mommy, yeah, you better attack Tasha and let me part, mommy. Them time there, you get back to like a mosquito. You know, you get back to a mosquito that flutter up on one wing. You better go
But
play.
you know better. I'll show you the look for you.
Flick it. You gotta go flick. But from my friend come, you know, you just go into your room.
Yeah.
You just go away.
Yeah.
Disappear, vamos. And let them pick their no. Ticking on the arguments. And mommy, I'm ready to go now.
You wrong?
What you want?
Yeah, doctor.
Yo, but that tell a lie. Adrica, you ever get a look yet? The vanquish look. You ever get a look there yet? Tasha, you ever get a look there? No words are spoken.
She erased your fire with that look there.
No word. It's like, you know, like a big rubber.
Yeah, man.
No, I'll know you want to open my mouth, you know. You extra Hey, listen to what I tell you.
I think I forget that look there super back.
Don't ask for nothing. Don't
I
touch
don't want
nothing.
that one. I want that. We didn't even bother finish it.
Sometimes they just want crawling. I say, it's like, what's it? I don't want that. And you see the head coming in slow motion by you know. You see that slow motion Optimus Prime look there? And you all look back to like, y'all look wet to the kind of wall.
Oh, chill.
Yo, but I tell the life, Father God, you grow, you rescue it. Hey, them time they can't
God make me alive, you know.
You know when they road, I make every deal with God. I said, God, if you make mommy don't beat me this time, God, I promise God, I won't do it ever again.
You ever
God.
practice the apology there?
Father God, I beg you, God, if you just help me this time. Father God, I promise I will not lie again. Father God, I won't take out the bicycle when they tell me don't take out the bicycle. God, I just begging you, please, God, don't make her get no beating, God. Okay, God, thanks.
You used to have an apology after practice. I'm sorry and I won't do it again. Try and wait. I say it clear.
I say it earnestly. Earnestly, I mean it. Like I mean my time signal right now.
Remember your reusable shopping tote on your next trip to your neighborhood high-low food store. Let's reduce our dependence on single-use plastic products and preserve our environment. The time by high-low food stores making life easier is
4:45. Yeah, I gotta tell you, growing up back in childhood days, have you seen my child days? Yep. For the boys, it was rough. For the girls, it was rough too. Growing up, who do you think of the two parents, not mommy and dad? Who do you think is normally the stricter of the two, mummies or daddies?
I think it depends on the child, female or male.
Okay.
So I think dads are more lenient with the girls sometimes, and then moms are stricter on the boys. I don't know why.
Mother strict on boy?
You ever think so?
Me not think Jamaican mother strict on boy. Nope.
Some of them, well, me can't talk to my mother never did a go ramp with my brother.
Oh, yeah?
So, yeah, should not play with him, man.
Well, me think Jamaican woman them make the boy them get to with judgment, get to with blue murder. I gotta tell you, it's crazy.
Yeah.
Calico, what do you think stricter, your moms or dads? Are you the strict one?
Kinda.
Okay.
They're
Kinda.
both.
Because sometimes I say, you can ease up on them a little bit still.
Yeah. Like, what would you say you're strict with? Like, in terms of what? How would you describe your strictness?
By percentage.
Yeah, no, my meaning, you know what I mean?
I think
Nice.
like schoolwork.
Like, what am I
noise.
doing? Yeah.
Nice. I have a problem with the noise.
But you could have a baby, they have a nice.
Them loud, man.
Yes, because they have a throat
Jesus
and a voice
Christ.
box. Yeah.
You know what's the problem? The two of them have a problem with the chair. Everybody wants to sit down at one particular part of the chair. The chair big enough.
Yeah.
The chair big. So I said, why they must have fight for the one space right there, so in the corner?
Yeah.
And the TV wide enough for them. Two of them can see it. At any angle.
Yeah.
course.
It always just, it flick up my chip every single time.
Yes.
Stop, CJ, damn it. I'm like, give me a break now. Let me easy grass a little bit now.
Oh, wow.
And here, the teeth are gonna lock off.
Yes.
Full stop.
Go to your bed.
Brother, you let me tell you, go to bed.
Yes,
you know.
that's solved.
You wanna, it's after you eat, just go to bed.
Bed.
No, go on now.
And no, the hard part about it is when the parents when you're sleeping at the day. I am like, but me just wake. Like, are you adults? You're what? It's just 12 o'clock. I just got up. Why do you want me to go? Why am I sleeping?
Here.
Right? Like, oh my God. You remember, like, when you used to go basic school, them have a thing after lunch, them put the heads on the decks.
Yes.
They ate the teacher them.
Yes.
Why you want to put my head on the decks, miss?
Sleep.
I don't want to sleep. You go and sleep. And right about them, would I want somebody to tell me that?
Please.
Would I want have a time about my time till they put their heads on the desk?
Or nap time.
Nap time. Tajna, when I'm nap time, we are ramp, we are pinch, we are do a bag of things. Because we don't want to sleep. I always say with them adults here, what of them, but they want to sleep. We just wake. We're not tired. We want to force to go on my bed. I'm just wake up. Like sleep too much, right? No, I don't think I sleep right there, so I gotta right this moment. Tajna, come tell me about your strict upbringing and how strict was your mom, and who do you believe is a stricter, mommies or daddies?
All right. In terms of strict upbringing,
Yeah.
my mom was that for me.
Yeah.
My dad really would have spoiled me. So I don't know what it's like to see daddy upset at me. But mommy, because she was a teacher, which meant several things for me. It meant that I had to behave and act a certain way in public because I would have been labeled already as a teacher's daughter.
Yeah.
So be it that I had to, if she wasn't picking me up from school, once I have to walk to the bus park, the drivers would already know, say, a teacher daughter that.
Yeah.
You understand? So even now how I speak, the fact that I don't really do patois very well, is because of my upbringing. I was not allowed to speak patois in the house or outside of the house, be that.